Learn how to make shoes with my step-by-step video courses. Following my recent talk about barefoot shoes, I got a lot of questions about wide toe box. So now I want to explain what we did in my new course, Barefoot Shoe Course. We not just created some kind of wide toe box. I teach how to take measurements of the feet, how to calculate the volume of the feet, and then we applied all these measurements to customize standard shoe last in order to have shape that will repeat the shape of the feet and the volume of the feet. Okay, so it's not just wide, it's repeat the shape of the feet. More than this, usually right foot and left foot may have a different shape. And I will show you an example of my feet. This, for example, you will see, this is the left foot. And you will see that here I have almost straight line. But my right foot has different shape. It has curved line here. So my shoe last that must have features of barefoot shoes must have includes inside of the shape both outlines of my feet. Okay, so it's not just a wide toe box, it includes here the shape of the feet and the volume of the feet. I will show you another example of barefoot shoe last that I created for one of my friends. You see, it's totally different shape. It's also barefoot shoe last, where I took the measurements of her feet and volume of the feet and created shoe last specially for her feet. Okay, so you can compare. This one was made following the shape and volume of my feet, and this one is for another person. Okay, so this is the idea to create barefoot shoes that will have the shape of your feet, so you will have very comfortable barefoot shoes. And more than this, using my design skills, we created such a design that go further with the comfort and creates such an upper that no matter what will happen during wearing these barefoot shoes, if it will become wider or narrow, this design will be comfortable for any changes that your feet may have during wearing barefoot shoes. Okay, so that's it. This is the main point in barefoot shoes, one of them. Okay, so if you have questions, you're welcome to ask me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.